My name is Jimmy Joe. I'm a physical therapist. I'm the founder of Touch of Life Physical Therapy. We started in 2017. I always wanted to open my own office, and then I wanted to make the really good system, treatment system, so where practitioner is happy and the patients also have a really good care, healing place, really enjoy the treatment and the exercise, and then just wanted to make the healing place.
My first impression back then was great. Dr. Joe was super personable, the staff was super personable, and of course this new location is gorgeous, so I really love coming here.
From my very first visit, I felt very welcome and supported by the whole team. They are very, very friendly.
First of all, we are one-on-one private care. So many places seeing the multiple patients at the same time. We are private one-on-one, so we can pay much more attention to patients. Second of all, we are specialized in hands-on manual therapy treatment.
Explaining what he was doing, explaining what the options were. He has a big tool in his arsenal of things to fix the problem, and so I just left feeling very well taken care of, heard, and I understood exactly what was going on.
I think every patient that comes here is always this kind of the same story, but it's a fulfilling story where, patients have been dealing with pain, they've gone to other clinics in the past, other professionals, and they haven't seen the relief or gotten the relief they are looking for until they come here. So, I feel like we're really making a difference, not just in the fact that we are a healthcare office, but we're a healthcare office that produces results.
I think I really needed someone to focus on me, to focus on my problem, to be able to listen to me and to be patient. And that has been the case in this office since day one because of this personal focus on what is your problem, how can I help you, and what I'm going to do to work with you. And we're working together.
I've been recommending Jimmy and Touch of Life to everybody I know, saying you have to go here. He has every great machine. He has a great touch. He really cares and wants to make sure that you're comfortable and is really clean, state-of-the-art, brand new facility.
If you want to know more about the Touch of Life Physical Therapy, you can go to our website because we input all the information there. About section, and then our team, and then our philosophy, and then what to treat and how to treat section. We put all the information there, so you can refer to our website, and then you can call us and then we can discuss.